The news in detail. MPS officer Gabriel K. Iangrai was released from the Shillong district jail on Tuesday afternoon. Iangrai was arrested in connection with alleged diversion of funds in the construction of National Emergency Response System (NERS) building at Sadar Police Station and supply of dry ration. He was granted bail by the district and session court on February 7th and February 3rd. Talking to reporters after his release, MPS officer Iangrai claimed that he is a victim of high-level Khaki political vendetta, even claiming that there is an imminent threat to his life and his family members.
Now I'm just giving my statement. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose, and there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political Khaki vendetta.